Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Volkswagen all-in service, maintenance, ownership package. So stay tuned if you want to find out all about it, what I think of it, and whether I think it's a good idea. So a couple of weeks ago, as part of our preparations for getting the van ready for a summer's worth of travelling and adventures, one thing we had to do was to get the van serviced, have its second service, its MOT and everything checked over and prepped ready for enjoying a summer's worth of travel. And whilst I was there, the guys down at Breeze Volkswagen who supplied the van to me told me all about their all-in plan that Volkswagen is currently offering. Oh, for those of you who are wondering, Harry will be back soon on another video. He's not here with me to do this one, but don't worry, he'll be back very, very soon. So welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. Sun is shining, it's a beautiful day here in Salisbury. A little bit chilly, and we've had some beautiful weather over the last couple of weeks, and the last couple of days, in fact, it's got a lot chillier. Yesterday we even had snow, believe it or not. But the good news is spring's on the way and we can get out and enjoy our camper vans very, very soon. So in getting ready for this year of adventures, one thing we needed to do was to have our van serviced. And you may have seen a video that I put out recently which covered that. We had our second service done. Van's just approaching 3 years old. But one of the things that was offered to me by Volkswagen, I must stress this is not a video paid for, endorsed by, subsidised, promoted by Volkswagen in any way. I just think it's a really, really good idea, is that they offered me something called their all-in plan. Our van is 3 years old. It's now covered 25,000 miles in 3 years, and it was just coming out of warranty. So in the UK, the Volkswagen commercial warranty lasts for 3 years. You need to have an MOT done when the van's 3 years old, and at that sort of point, naturally, you start to think about your maintenance costs going forward with the vehicle. So Volkswagen have this year offered a service plan or a maintenance package for owners of commercial vehicles. Now, not every vehicle qualifies. You need to check if you're interested with your dealer as to which do, but my understanding is that it's vehicles with a up to a certain weight limit, obviously, which the California is under, and also with a 2-litre engine or smaller. But the all-in-one package just gives a really good bundle of maintenance cover for the ownership of the van. So the van had to go through a really thorough check and inspection, which I had carried out down at Breeze Volkswagen, which is where we purchased the van from originally. I'm pleased to say that it went through with flying colours and no issues whatsoever. But we then had to book the van in to have a secondary check once it had come out of warranty. So once it was over 3 years old. So again, that was a visual inspection. We coincided it with the MOT, and as you'd expect, there was no difference to what had happened previously. But as a result of having that check, we were then able to take out the Volkswagen all-in plan. Now this all-in plan covers a number of different things that, and ultimately will save you, I believe, a significant amount of money during your ownership of your Volkswagen camper van. So we have got 2 years warranty, 2 services, 2 MOTs. There's one other thing as well which I can't quite remember, so let me just go and check the paperwork. There we go. Yes, of course, how could I forget? It's one of the most, I think, really value things as well. So let's recap. So 2 years warranty, 2 services, 2 MOTs, and 2 years Volkswagen assistance breakdown as well. You may think that that's going to be a lot of money, but I think that the offer that they put together was excellent value for money. So For all of that coverage, there was a single payment of just under £630, or you could pay on a monthly direct debit, same amount, interest free effectively. So for £27 a month, I think it was, I'm getting all of that cover, which I think is absolutely amazing. So I mean, the warranty on its own for a van like this for an additional year, I think was in the region of £400. A service is going to be £300, £400 for a minor service, £500 up plus for a major one. There's still going to be some bits and pieces that we'll need to pay for as part of the maintenance, so it doesn't cover the consumable items, it doesn't cover a cam belt change, but what it has done is spread all of that maintenance costs for those items out over the next couple of years. So we are certainly thinking about potentially changing our van. Even if I ordered a new van today, it's probably going to take a year to come, so I'm absolutely going to get value out of a year's worth of the warranty, a year's worth of the assistance breakdown, and an MOT and a service as well. So even if we sell the van after 1 year and have only used half of that package, it still represents excellent value for money. So I just want to put a little hands up and thank you and thumbs up and to Volkswagen for putting that package together, because I really do think it, for an owner like me, it offers excellent value for money. And again, just a reminder, there's no promotion here from VW. They haven't paid me to do this. It's genuinely my thoughts as what I think is a really good value offer for this. So what that now means is that we're all set up for the upcoming year. We're all set up for what's hopefully going to be a year of some great adventures in this van, travelling around the UK and Europe. And who knows, all being well, the weather will stay like this. So that's just a little sum up of the all-in plan. As I said, I think it's a really, really good idea. Definitely going to save some money over the term. Even just the principle of being able to spread the cost of buying warranties and servicing has got to be a good idea at the moment with everything going up in price. So a real thumbs up. I really do think it's a good idea. If you think it's a great idea, give me a thumbs up in the video below. If you've got any questions about the plan or why we took it out, again, drop me a question down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. But really do think it's a great idea. So I hope you found the video useful, and if you have, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please remember to click the button to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on another video very, very soon.